Welcome back for Ariel and Vanessa from the Little Mermaid styling. Hope you guys like this video, and let's start with Ariel. Just made this headband with a piece of fabric and an eyeliner pencil. I literally did all those dots while listening to the soundtrack, and I'm so excited to be going over Halle Bailey's amazing look from The Little Mermaid and how you can get it on yourself. I really like this makeup. I think it's super wearable. We have some bronze on the eye, a gold highlight, a deeper nude lip, and then for hair, have some extensions. I also have these spray-in colors that I use a lot in my videos. I have these very old extensions that I've sprayed some rose gold on, and I'm gonna clip them through the front, pushed back because we do have the headband. Otherwise this isn't a great way to wear extensions, but then I'm gonna incorporate them into the rope braids. First rope braid, splitting in half, and you're gonna twist the same way the hair to the left, this one also to the left, but then instead of twisting the two strands around each other also to the left, you're gonna do it to the right. Left, 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 right. Gonna split it into 3 and do a bit of a braid, but I'm letting the ends get tangled. I love this trick. You take the end and pull it through and it'll stay put without an elastic. Boom. So you can see it just trails off and it looks very undone and beachy. And again. And I got the idea to do twists like this. One, because I was thinking rope braids are nautical, but also I do have the Barbie and her hair is styled this way. Some of the ends I'm gonna leave without an elastic and just kind of let them hang undone, and then I am gonna curl the end. So you can do a mix of things. I got a pack of shells from Michaels and I'm applying them into the fake hair with duo glue. To the beach! Look where we are. We walked out. Whee! Ah! Ew! It's quite algae-like. This is fun. I want to get refreshed, and that brings me to today's sponsor, Kitsch. Hopefully you can see my little caddy there. The caddy looks really sleek, it smells amazing. I do try a lot of different shampoo and conditioners, but what is super unique about Kitsch is they are bottle free. So as you can see, no plastic, and we have a self-draining caddy here.
Why would you be in the shower with all your clothes on?
So it's PG. It's Disney inspired. I'll show you how they work so we can transform into Vanessa next. Do you guys remember when rice water was all the rage on TikTok? I never tried it out, so I was very excited to try out this product, and it makes my hair feel so soft. Rice water is rich in proteins and helps to strengthen hair and prevent breakage, and these bars smell like essential oils. The whole bathroom smells like a spa. Dried my hair and it's feeling super clean and soft, and if you want to try out these Kitsch products, there is a link in my description and you can get 25% off your order if you click it or use the code on screen. Kitsch also ships in different countries including Canada, where I am, and Australia, New Zealand, UK, so be sure to check on their website, and they have the cutest accessories as well, like this new Barbie collab. I need it. But anyways, let's start doing the Vanessa hair. Start with a side part. Usually I do the opposite, but I wanted to try this. Here's the Vanessa inspired makeup. Gonna flip the camera so you guys can see the length. This dress I thrifted, by the way. It's from Free People, and it's one of the only pieces of purple clothing that I had, so I went with it. And I'm gonna start with my T3 micro wand, curling towards my face, release the curl while still keeping it in the loop shape, roll upwards and pin in place. Repeat around the head, and you don't have to go all the way to the scalp because these are going to be looser curls, but you can if you want more volume. letting my hair sit. They do feel cool to the touch now, but I'm gonna leave them a little longer because my hair does not hold curl very well. And then I'm not gonna brush all the way through with like a smoothing brush, which I would if I had shorter hair to get those beautiful waves. The way I'm doing the bottom to get a shorter hairstyle, because I think that really adds to the volume, is I'm pinning some of the curls but leaving the end piece out. See how I get that curl to my shirt? Luckily, I do have some layers up top that will sit a bit shorter. And the most important piece is around the face. Add a bit of teasing under there. And for the other side, once you let those curls down, take a side section and brush upwards. Twist and pin to the side and make sure the hair behind it covers the bobby pin before fixing up the curls. Tested this Ariel makeup already, so I'm going to take some off and show you the main components of this look. I'll go over quickly what I did to my skin. I added a little bit of GUERLAIN bronzer under my cheekbone for some definition. And then the blush that I picked, this is not the same as the makeup artist. This is Sunny by Benefit. It's one of my favorites. Adding a pop to the cheek. And then in this picture here, I noticed a gorgeous golden glow. So this Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer blush in Soleil is perfect for it. Such a pretty base. And then for eyes, I'm gonna start with a cream shadow. These are really easy to blend. This one is the Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow from Too Faced in the shade Chocolate Bunny in a V. Going in with one of my favorite palettes, this is the Too Faced Natural Eyes. I've had it for forever, and this is the Push-Up shade. I'm gonna blend this onto the lid from that outer V. Some lightness to the brow bone. In some shots, the lid really picked up the light, and this Half Magic shadow, it's Little Beast. Painted on one layer, and you can build it up. I'm just gonna let it dry. This is like the perfect bronze for the look. Topping up with a really bright eye tint. Also under the lash line. Optional, but I'm gonna add a little bit of liquid liner. Half hour later, I ate some pizza, brushed my teeth, and we're back. I like to extend the eye by placing the lash on the black line that we've created. Definitely applied it better the first time today. For the lips, I'm gonna start it with a deeper lip line, the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF3. I keep grabbing for Pura products. Pura, hopefully I'm saying that right. But the color is beyond smooth. Finally, I have the natural face palette from Too Faced as well, and I love this highlighter here. It's a golden sheen, and I'm gonna enhance the cheek. So nice. I also did this to the tip of my nose. And then this blush shade, I really like to add it over my lips. Just want it to look very ethereal. The finished makeup look, very bronzy, very cute. Let me know what you think. And now for Vanessa's makeup. Ooh. Starting with a pale yellow across the lid. Kind of in an exaggerated crease here. Honey butter through the crease. And a wing, but these are all really subtle. Deepening up with Nude, just creating a shadow under the bottom lash line. Adding some mascara, and in the reference picture, I did notice some individual lashes again. I'm using these ones. These lashes are more natural in contrast to the ones that I used for Ariel. I made those a lot more fluttery, but these are just gonna fill out the lash line. Using another one of these, I'm gonna add some dimension. These feel so smooth and moussey. And then I'm gonna add a brighter pink. Not too bright. This is by Velux Vanity in Rose Garden. It is such a nice pink. You can tone this down or build it up if you want to be more inspired by the cartoon or the live action where everything's a little bit more muted out. Skin we're keeping more matte for this look. I didn't do a highlight, but I did still go with a peachy blush. Taking down the rest of the curls, and I am going to brush them out and do a fun inspired photo by the beach again. So wish me luck. I'll show the end result here, the difference between Ariel and Vanessa styling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know which style was your favorite, and be sure to check out Kitsch down below if you're interested in the shampoo and conditioner bars. If you want to keep on watching, of course, another huge release is the Barbie movie, and I do have a Barbie inspired tutorial there, and I'll see you in my next video.